8 eco-friendly cleaning products that work wonders. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. One of the things that everyone needs to pay more attention to is green cleaning. With all of the pollution going on, do you want to contribute when you clean your home? Or would you rather prefer a much safer approach? It goes without saying that the latter is always better, especially when you can do it without really sacrificing efficiency. The way around the issue is with you making your green products. There is nothing complicated about it, and it only takes a few basic components, which you probably already have in your home. Here is a list of several popular products that you can make on your own and start using today. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is a real wonder when it comes to cleaning your home. It makes for a wonderful grout scrub, which you can apply with a toothbrush. You can also use its odor-absorbing qualities and sprinkle it on your mattress, carpet, and rug when you vacuum. You can unclog your drain with the aid of baking soda and vinegar. You can also clean the oven, which traditionally requires very strong chemicals. Again, when you mix it with vinegar, you get a nice dishwasher cleaning solution. 2. Citric acid. If you have trouble sanitizing the toilet, you will do well to prepare some citric acid. Scrub and disinfect the loo, or descale the shower area in the bathroom. You can also clean your coffee maker and the taps around your home. 3. Cedarwood. Have you ever had a moth problem with your clothes? They can deal some damage to fibers. But thankfully, you can address it with cedarwood balls. Put them in the drawers and the wardrobes around your home. Moths will not touch the clothes there. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. This is one of the best solutions for the removal of tough stains, such as blood and protein on clothes, carpets and furniture. One thing you have to keep in mind is that it may not be color safe. This means you should test it somewhere inconspicuous first and see if there is an issue with it. It can shift tough stains and be a real lifesaver. 5. Bamboo fiber duster. Forget about feather dusters, which do little but move dust from one area to the next. You should use a bamboo fiber duster, which is like a real magnet for dust. It will remove the particles even in areas that are high above floor level. You can grab one with an extendable arm and make your life a whole lot easier. 6. Lavender. Another tool you can use to repel insects and other nasties in your closet, drawers and wardrobes is lavender. Not only does it reduce any insect attacks, but also produces a fresh and lovely scent. You can use it in the kitchen as well. 7. Lemon. If hard water deposits are making a wreck of your taps, showers and shower doors, you need lemon. The acidic components in the juice will make short work of the buildup and also remove limescale. You can also use lemon juice with vinegar for a really powerful microwave cleaning solution. 8. Vinegar. Last, but not least, vinegar is one of the best cleaning solutions in the eco-friendly world. You can do so much with it. From cleaning the toilet and bathroom to addressing the washing machine and dishwasher. You can even disinfect things like the fridge and microwave with it. Many people use it to descale various kitchen appliances and coffee machines. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Create a greener and healthier future.